It is now 4 p.m. on July 10th, Beijing time. Last Friday, the video suggested that EURUSD should go long below 1.0813. After the issuance, there was no chance of a callback to enter the market. It rose from 1.0868 to 1.0976 in advance, with a cumulative increase of 108 points. Then there is gold. Last Friday, it was recommended to go long below 1895, and there was no callback. It rose from 1913.4 to 1934.9 in advance, with a cumulative increase of 215 points. Because the two intraday signals that on the video did not give the opportunity to enter the market, so on Friday night, Lao Dai suggested EURUSD can be shorted sale at 1.0942 to 1.1010. After the release, the highest is 1.0976. It nears 1.0952. You can keep the light position, set to take a profit and stop loss to continue to hold it. In addition to manually operating intraday signals, the main account of Lao Dai has been using EA programs to make high-weight targets, with a principal of $150,000, and the first position is opened from 0.22 lots, and light positions to unlimited profits every day. The cumulative profit from July 1st to today is $4,532. The monthly income has been stable at 10 to 17%. If you want to see the historical operation records and follow the whole process of trading in real time every day, you can add the contact information on the screen to find me and ask for the password of the main account. The password will be disclosed for a week. Consider joining a trader group or enrolling in account management business. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Last Friday's US ADP data was too strong, which raised market's expectations for non-agricultural data. But the final non-agricultural data was lower than expected, and non-US currency pairs rose. The number of US employment is usually around 200,000, and less than it represents a slowdown in the job market. The non-agricultural announcement is 209,000, which has little impact, because we still hold the EURUSD short orders that enter the market at 1.0942, so will not make new points, and Lao Dai will give a selling reminder based on the trend. Last week, gold mainly fluctuated in the 1900 to 1935 range, and the non-farm payrolls failed to help break this range. Continue to pay attention to the operation opportunities in this range during the day. You can do long positions below 1907 to 1894. Put a stop loss at 1892, and the upper resistance is 1935 to 1930. Market funds are still dominated by bulls, and short selling is not considered for the time being. This Wednesday will trigger the US CPI data, which will bring more guidance on the Fed's economic policy in the second half of the year, and the Fed's decision in the early morning of July 27. This week's official speech will also be the last ones before the silence period. So we need to beware of interfering in the market and causing high volatility. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is last Friday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing, but it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Jean-Jacques Rousseau.